Hello everyone, I am DJ Bhairav, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, KTSM College, Nasik. Welcome back in this lecture. So, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the problem based on concentration as well as mole. So let's start with the first problem. So the problem is that when fossil gas decomposes by the reaction, so reaction is given COCl2 gas, it gives CO gas plus Cl2 gas, and here equilibrium constant value is also given. Kc is equal to 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 at 360 degree Celsius. So the calculate COCl2 and COCl2 when initial 0.1 mole of fossil gas in 10 liter flask decomposes and reactions and reaches equilibrium at 360 degree Celsius. So in this problem, we have to calculate the concentration of COCl2 as well as CO and Cl2 at an equilibrium. So first of all, we have to calculate the initial concentration. Concentration of COCl2. So initial concentration is given in mole is equal to 0.1 mole divided by 10 liter. So we will get 0.1 mole per liter. Okay. So this is the initial concentration of COCl2. 0.1 mole per liter. Friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed law of chemical equilibrium. In that we saw the activity. So the equilibrium constant is activity rather than the concentration. So the activity of an ideal mixture is a ratio of concentration, that is the molar concentration to a standard concentration, as well as the activity of an ideal mixture is the ratio of partial pressure to a standard pressure. So both concentration as well as pressure is the unitless, that is the dimensionless. So the dimensionless concentration of COCl2, dimensionless concentration of COCl2 is 0.1. Okay, so this is the dimensionless concentration of COCl2. Now consider decomposition of fossil gas. COCl2 gas decomposes and the formation of CO gas plus Cl2 gas. Okay, Cl2 gas, COCl2, CO gas plus Cl2 gas. Now the initial concentration of initial concentration of COCl2 is 0.01 and the initial concentration of CO 0. Similarly for Cl2 also 0. Now at equilibrium, the concentration of COCl2 is 0.01 minus X and the concentration at equilibrium for CO is X. Similarly for Cl2 also X. So according to the law of chemical equilibrium, so we can write the equilibrium constant for this reaction, that is Kc is equal to product divided by reactants with its respective stoichiometric coefficient. So product CO and Cl2 upon COCl2 is equal to the value of CO at equilibrium is X into for Cl2 also X divided by the value of COCl2 at equilibrium is 0.1 minus X. So we can write X into X is equal to X square divided by 0.01 minus X. Okay. Now here equilibrium constant value is also given. So we can write Kc as 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 is equal to X square divided by 0.1 minus X. Now solve this equation. By solving this equation, we will get 8.3 into 10 raised to minus power 4 into 0.01 minus X is equal to X square. We can write 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 minus X is equal to X square. Okay. Now solve this equation. 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4, that is the 10 raised to minus power 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Then minus 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into X, minus 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into X is equal to X square. Then we can write X square plus 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 X, then minus 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 1. Now the equation number 1 we have to solve by using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is quadratic formula A square square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Then x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here a is equal to, what is the value for a? 1. Then for b 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4x, and for c is equal to 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Now put all this value in this equation. So x is equal to minus b minus 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 x plus minus under root b square 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 x minus 4 into 1. Now what is the value? What is the value for c? So here minus 8 into minus 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 2 into 1. So by solving this equation, finally we will get 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per liter. Okay, so this is the x value. Now we have to find out the concentration of CO as well as Cl2 and COCl2 at equilibrium. We know that at equilibrium, the concentration of CO is equal to the concentration of Cl2, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per liter. Now we have to calculate the concentration at equilibrium for Faustian gas. So the COCl2 is equal to 0.01 minus x. So finally we can write 0.01. What is the value of x? 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per liter, and finally we will get the concentration of COCl2 at equilibrium is 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 mole per liter. Okay, so this is the value for Faustian gas at equilibrium. Now let us see second problem. So problem is 0.5 mole of each H2 and I2 react in 10 liter flask at 448 degree Celsius. The equilibrium constant, that is Kc for the reaction. So reaction is given H2 react with I2 and the formation of 2 moles of HI, and the equilibrium constant for this reaction is 50. So we have to calculate the mole of I2 at equilibrium. So first of all, write down the given reaction. H2 plus I2, it gives 2 moles of HI. Okay, so the initial moles of H2 is 0.5, and similarly for I2 is also 0.5, and the mole of HI is 0, and at equilibrium mole is 0.5 minus x, and for I2 0.5 minus x, and for HI is 2x. Okay. Now according to the law of chemical equilibrium, that is equilibrium constant for this reaction, Kc is equal to product divided by reactants with respective stoichiometric coefficient. So Hi with its respective stoichiometric coefficient, that is the square, divided by H2 into I2. So what is the value of Hi at equilibrium? 2x square divided by H2 0.5 minus x into 0.5 minus x. So we can write like this: 4x square divided by 0.5 minus x whole bracket square. Now here equilibrium constant for this reaction is also given. So the equilibrium constant is 50. Equilibrium constant is 50 is equal to 4x square divided by 0.5 minus x bracket square. Okay. So this equation we can write like this: under root 50 is equal to 2x divided by 0.5 minus x. Okay. Now we have to solve this equation. Two x is equal to under root 50 into 0.5 minus x. So by solving this equation, finally we will get the value of x is equal to 0.39. So the moles of I2 at equilibrium is 0.5 minus x is equal to 0.5 minus 0.39 is equal to 0.11 moles. Okay. So the at equilibrium the moles of I2 is 0.11 moles. Okay. So friends, in this lecture we have discussed two problems. So first problem was based on concentration and second problem was based on moles. Okay. Friends, in the next lecture we will discuss the distinction between delta G and delta G naught and their problems, and also we will discuss the relationship between Kc and Kp. Thank you.